finished look of this unit and how are we liking it. Let's get into the specs of what I have on today. So today I have on a Outre wig, and this is part of their Perfect Hairline Swoop series collection. It is a 13x4 lace frontal. It has HD transparent lace, and this is in the style Swoop 6, and it's in 16 inches. And I have on the color Burgundy Flame, and this color is really pretty. Now with this unit, it does have heat resistant fibers up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It does come with a pre-attached elastic band if you would like to wear it glueless as well. I have a big head, so I would say this unit is big head friendly. Now with this unit as well, the hairline is pre-plucked. It has a gradual hairline, so it's not too dense. And it does have baby hairs as well. I always like to go for a natural look. I don't really like to do baby hairs on my units, and I did go back in to pre-customize the wig and pluck it to my natural hairline. Now it does have a natural contour by the sides, so you can have more of a realistic look. Overall, I give this wig a 10 out of 10. The experience working with it was really good. The lace is amazing. I did not have a problem melting it into my skin. Now I did try a new lace spray with this unit as well, and I sweat a lot, and this unit has not come off yet. Now I am going to be linking this wig down below for you guys in my description box if you're interested, so look out for that. And I am going to be doing maybe 1 to 2 different hairstyles in this unit, so stay tuned for the next couple of videos. As always, thank you so much for tuning into my video. I really do appreciate you. Make sure you like and comment, and if you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.